Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate the Amazon Prime Video app on your Android TV box, follow these quick steps. Step 1. Turn on your Android TV box and navigate to the Google Play Store from the home screen. Step 2. In the search bar, type Amazon Prime Video and select the official app from the search results. Step 3. Click Install to download and install the Prime Video app on your Android TV box. Step 4. Once the installation is complete, open the Prime Video app from your app list. Step 5. On the welcome screen, select Sign in or register your device. Step 6. An activation code will appear on your TV screen. Keep this code visible. Step 7. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, open a web browser and go to amazon.com myTV. Step 8. Log into your Amazon account and enter the activation code displayed on your TV. Click Register Device. Once verified, your Android TV box will refresh and Prime Video will be activated. You can now stream thousands of movies, TV shows, and Amazon originals. If you have an Amazon Prime membership, enjoy exclusive content at no extra cost. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.